Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix DNS server isn't responding problem. Click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Connected Wi-Fi Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Check Use the following DNS server addresses: 208.67.222.222 208.67.220.220. Click OK, close. Disconnect and reconnect your network. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.